What's going on, guys? It's Andre. Today we are back with another video for you guys, and we have the Pantone 11s. In my opinion, one of the best 11s of all time. And we're going to give you guys a small restoration, a nice cleanup, some unyellowing, just get them looking right again. So let's hop right into it. So we're going to start by removing the laces, and when I remove them, you're going to see why, because they are absolutely filthy on the tongue area of the shoe. So we're going to start off the cleaning with some Rejuvenate as always. Got the bowl filled halfway, couple squirts. Then we're starting off with our medium texture brush to clean up the uppers. Just give them a nice scrubbing, get the job done. Don't got to apply too much pressure, nothing like that. Just go with the shoe and then clean up. The good thing about pad leather as well is pad leather cleans up super easily. So after cleaning the uppers, we're using a microfiber cloth to just go ahead and dry them up. Make sure there's no water stains in the nubuck or anything like that. Then we're going to switch over to our stiff texture brush, and then we're going to begin cleaning the outsole portion of the shoes. Now recently what I've started doing is when the outsoles are really bad, I just do the regular cleaning with the stiff texture brush, and then also use a brass brush or wire brush to go ahead and scrub the soles down. And so here we're using an X-Acto knife just to go pick everything out from the crevices and whatever, so we can get a good sole detailing, and then we go ahead and begin to unyellow them. So for the final step of the detailing, we're going to be using some acetone with some Q-tips and just going in between the crevices, removing all the dirt that we didn't get out during the actual cleaning. You're going to see here in the Q-tip. And you can do the same thing with a cotton round, just wipe the whole sole down. So here we have our plastic wrap. I already measured it out to fit the bottom of the sole. And then we're going to be using some CCK sole sauce for our unyellowing process. And I just use a paintbrush or a toothbrush and just go ahead and apply it evenly. Just light coats. You don't have to like clobber it all over and clump it up. Just light coats go a long way. And here they are inside the ice box. We let them sit for 24 hours and we just reapply for 3 different sessions, and usually they're maxed out by the 3rd session. So here we're using our suede eraser and we're going ahead with some mink oil to just condition them. So we're just using the suede eraser. Be very gentle, especially on these older pairs, because the nubuck can rip, and it actually did rip on me, but it wasn't too bad. So now we're using a magic eraser, Mr. Clean magic eraser. You just wet it, make sure it's damp, squeeze it out, and you guys can see the mark that was there. We just scrub it for a little bit, and then once I show you guys afterwards, the mark is completely gone. So now we're spraying the mink oil all around to condition the shoes, giving that nice shine and texture back to the nubuck. And this is pretty much the last step. All right, guys, at this point the shoes are completely finished. Everything came out super nice and clean. We iced them up, cleaned them up. Some of the old nubuck chipped off, you guys see. But overall, they came out super nice. So if you want this treatment done to your own pair, DM my IG at Restorations. If you have any questions or concerns, I'm always happy to help. If you enjoyed the video, like, share, and follow, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one.